Hello everyone, welcome to Shuli Machinery. In today's video, we'll show you our hydraulic Shisha charcoal briquette machine in operation. Let's see how it produces high-density hookah charcoal briquettes efficiently. Here is the electrical control cabinet. The simple control panel allows operators to start, stop, and adjust the machine with ease. The machine is powered by a high-quality motor, providing stable power for continuous and reliable production. This is our hydraulic Shisha charcoal briquette machine, specially designed for producing high-quality hookah charcoal. Take a closer look at the upper and lower molds. The molds are precisely manufactured to ensure accurate forming and consistent charcoal quality. Different mold designs can be customized according to your product requirements. Now let's start the machine. The operator first turns on the control system. Prepared charcoal powder is manually fed into the hopper. The machine automatically feeds the material into the mold cavity. The upper mold moves downward and compresses the charcoal powder under high hydraulic pressure. After forming, the lower mold moves upward to eject the finished charcoal briquette. Finally, the pushing device smoothly transfers the finished product out, completing one production cycle. The entire process is automatic, stable, and highly efficient, making it ideal for continuous commercial production. Here are the finished square Shisha charcoal briquettes. Each briquette features a smooth surface, uniform dimensions, high density, and clean edges, making them suitable for packaging and export. Different sizes and shapes can be produced by simply replacing the molds. Now, enjoy the machine running from another viewing angle. Watch the smooth movement of the molds, the stable pressing process, and the automatic discharge of the finished charcoal briquettes. If you're looking for a reliable hydraulic Shisha charcoal production solution, feel free to contact us for more information and customized machine recommendations.